bullish VRA value forecast is $0.01. The VRA cost will likewise reach $0. VRA negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. In Verasity Cost Forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other VRA data to dissect the digital currency's future development. Verasity current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Verasity is $0. A 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,716,499 at the hour of composing. In any case, VRA has diminished to 3.9% as of now. Besides, Verasity has a flowing stock of 10,356,466,695 VRA. VRA exchanges digital currency trades like KuCoin, GATE.io, OKX, MEXC, Bitrue. What is Verasity? Verasity is a convention layer stages for a sports, video diversion, and computerized content administration. Verasity assists with driving the quickly developing sports industry and gaming local area by offering dependable server foundation, evidence of view security usefulness, and Vra player and item layer stage for video diversion. VRA can be marked as a component of Veracity's VRA marking program. The prizes acquired are corresponding and in view of the quantity of tokens marked. Verasity Value Forecast 2022. Verasity stands firm on the 500th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. VRA Cost Forecast 2022 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time span. The above graph of Verasity spread out a falling wedge. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which associates the highs and the lower pattern line which interfaces the lows merge downwards. The wedge design overall demonstrates a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example shows a breakout in the cost pattern towards a rise. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the energy of the downtrend is dialing back. As of now, Verasity is at $0. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of VRA could arrive at the obstruction level of $0 and $0. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of VRA might tumble to $0 and $0. Verasity backing and obstruction levels. The graph underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Verasity. The outlines show that VRA has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, VRA could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at 1 cent. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the VRA could plunge to nearly $0, a negative sign. Verasity Value Expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of the Verasity is displayed in the underneath graph. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past volume for brokers. As of now, the RVOL of VRA lies beneath the end line, demonstrating feeble members in the latest thing. Also, the moving normal of Verasity is displayed in the above graph. Outstandingly, the VRA cost marginally lies under 50 MAMA, so it is completely in a descending pattern. At present, VRA is in a bullish state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of VRA whenever. In the interim, the overall strength file of the VRA is at a degree of 43.27. This implies that Verasity is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of SHIB might happen in the impending days. In this way, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Verasity Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional file of Verasity. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Verasity. At present, VRA lies in the scope of 24.7524, showing a feeble pattern. From the above outline, the general instability list of Verasity. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame as opposed to cost changes. The RVI of VRA lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, VRA's RSI is at 43.27, in this way affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of VRA with BTC, ETH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Verasity. From the above diagram, we can decipher ETH, BTC, and VRA are moving in a comparable pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and VRA additionally increment or abatement individually. Verasity Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, Verasity could likely accomplish $0 2023. Verasity Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Verasity could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, VRA could revitalize to hit 1 cent by 2024. Verasity Value Expectation 2025. If Verasity supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, VRA would mobilize to hit 3 cents. Verasity Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Verasity supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, VRA would mobilize to hit 5 cents. Verasity Value Forecast 2027. In the event that Verasity supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, VRA would mobilize to hit 7 cents. Verasity Value Forecast 2028. On the off chance that Verasity holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could observe huge cost rallies. In this manner, by 2028, VRA would hit 9 cents. Verasity Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Verasity, it would observe significant spikes. VRA could hit 10 cents by 2029. Verasity Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Verasity environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Verasity for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Verasity could hit 50 cents by 2030. And, with persistent upgrades in the Verasity organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for VRA. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Verasity in 2022 is 1 cent. Then again, the negative value expectation of Verasity for 2022 is $0. Besides, with the headways and updates in the Verasity biological system, the exhibition of Verasity could hit $0 financial backers' consideration. It would likewise transcend its untouched high of 8 cents soon. 1. What is Verasity? Verasity is a convention layer stages for a sports, video diversion, and computerized content administration. 2. Where might you at any point buy Verasity? Verasity has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate KuCoin, GAT.io, OKX, MEXC, Bitrue. 3. Will Verasity come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Verasity stage, Verasity has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Verasity? On November 1, 2021, Verasity arrived at its new all-time high of 8 cents. 5. Is Verasity a wise interest in 2022? Verasity is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Verasity in the beyond couple of months, VRA is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Will Verasity reach $0? Verasity is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the long run, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Verasity will hit $0.